Hello, this is Mark. This is the 4th of October. In 1957, the Russians launched Sputnik, made it into orbit before anyone else. And wasn't significant other than it was the first orbit in space and thus started the space race. And then President John Kennedy made his famous goal that we would land the man on the moon and return them safely before the end of the 1960s. And we did. Unfortunately, President Kennedy was not there to see that. Also, what else happened that day or that year? Richard B. Hayes was born. He was the 19th president. And Russian tanks fired on and put down a Russian rebellion. That doesn't happen too often in Russia. That was in 1993. And I don't think there was anything else I wanted to talk about. It was lots of little things happened. Something like the Belgium in 1830 gained its independence from the Netherlands, but that was in Europe, and that was in 1830. Other than that, 1990, 45 years of the Cold War, the East and West Germany combined into the Federated Republic of Germany. So that would happen on the 4th of October. Thanks for listening, and see you tomorrow.